that one?
Difficult nowadays in age to have a... I think the biggest gentleman was probably Nicky. Nicky was a good one, you know, 2015 we raced together a lot.
The most no one.
Most gentleman, I think is me. Never again, I didn't really sort of meet one of those.
The most gentleman, I think it can be Valentino, because it's a kind of overtaking that it's just overtaking you, but not aggressive, so Valentino for me.
I think he's not a gentleman rider on track. I mean, the opponents try to beat you, but if I need to say somebody, I don't know. I will not say nobody, I mean, are your opponents.
No, we don't have gentleman riders on track.
I think that the biggest gentleman, well, if I have to choose somebody, it would probably be Nakagami. He's pretty nice on the track.
This doesn't exist. I don't know.
No. On the MotoGP, so during the race, no.
Dovizioso, not myself. No, Dovizioso, Pedrosa, they were quite gentlemen.
But it's normal. But we have respect for us, but gentlemen, no.
I would say the most gentle is Jorge. You know, obviously I rode with him in Yamaha.
Yo, that's a hard one. Geez, no rider's really a gentleman on track. Or at least I can't think of one at the moment.
I don't know. Gentleman. I think no rider is gentleman. Not any rider.
Definitely not me, or my brother. I don't know, honestly I have no clue.
I don't know, nobody.
Nobody. Gentleman, I don't remember.
Hey YouTube friends, this is ESPARGARO. I hope you liked the video, so please subscribe. Bye bye.